What does productivity mean to me? Productivity means getting ahead with my day without having to worry about the mundane things. What do I mean by that? Things that are not necessary. It also means using every means I have to ensure that I'm on top of everything I need to do every day, be it writing a blog post, doing my work, or spending time with family. Personal productivity hacks that I use every day you might want to ask me. I have an app on my phone and my computer called To Do. I use To Do's a lot to schedule the task I need to achieve every day. Also, I take note of important things to do the next day before I go to bed each night. It means I have a note on my desk here at the home office where I write things that are important to me to do the next day. Actually, this is the one I plan to use for today. So I do that every night. Also, what I do is I automate some of the tasks that I need to do repeatedly. For example, making tweets online, from my blog post on my YouTube channel or my podcast, I automate things like that. Also, I pace myself. What do I mean by that? I give myself time to do things. I give myself time in between different tasks so that I do not burn out. Now, you might want to ask me, what are productivity tips I have for youths? First is, have a plan for your day. I'll say this in pidgin, not just the runner. You want to go ahead with your day, having specific things you need to do. Also, if you have long-term goals or short-term goals, list out those things you need to do, the things you need to do to achieve your plans. Also, once you've listed out those tasks, put a time to them, such that you know that you want to achieve ABCD in a specific timeline. Also, you start acting on those tasks. When you act on them, you then go ahead after a particular time frame, maybe a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month, you assess what you have done to see, oh, have I achieved this goal? Have I not? If you have not, go over them again. And if you have, repeat the process of timing the next set of tasks and then repeat that over and over again. And that's productivity for me. That's just a little bit of it. And I am Dara Oladapo and I like to be productive. See ya.